So let's set the scene. It's Friday, it's 3:30 and I am in a deserted car park underneath London's ExCeL Exhibition Centre. I should be at work, but I'm not. See, Mr. Mac is busy. He's exhibiting here tomorrow at one of the UK's largest games exhibitions. And so I've decided to skive off work, sneak here and join him for a bit of a cheeky date night. So Grandma and Grandpa have got the kids and we've snuck away for a night on this bad boy. We had a whistle-stop trip to the Sunbourne last night, as you saw. It has meant though that Mr. Mac has had to get up ridiculously early. At 6:30 he checked out, went and finished off his stand for the exhibition today, and I have to be back at work today, so I've had to get up early too and drive from the ExCeL back to work. It's not too far, but whether I'm going to get there in time for 9 o'clock, I don't know. It's currently 8:15, and I've just stopped for cheeky Macca's because it was too early to get breakfast in the hotel. Anyway, we'll see when we get there, but I'm not working today. I am babysitting my own studio because I have some fantastic external tutors coming to teach. Well, I made it, and despite Macca's, I'm here 10 minutes early, so I could have had 10 more minutes in bed.
So that, I told you, didn't I, that double knitting does the work for you. I've given you so much theory, you've taken in all of it, you've retained about 10% of it. That's okay, because subliminally it's all ticking away, sloshing around in there, and this is where the crazy man with the beard starts to make sense.
So I've done that super annoying thing that vloggers do and decided that I'm going to vlog all day for 24 hours and then not vlogged. So you might have noticed that Nathan Taylor was in my studio. The sock magician. He was running double knitting classes all day today, and we've had loads of people in, and we've also had the lovely Maddie in doing pattern drafting, and I didn't get anything, no video, nothing of that. And at lunchtime, I got in my car, went to the station, and I went to pick somebody up. And now she's sat on my sofa, finishing her Nathan Taylor heart, with her foot up, with a bag of peas on it.
Yeah.
So Saz came down from Nottingham today to see us, but fell down the stairs on the way out of the house. Oopsie.
Oops.
So tonight's plan is to drink wine and to get Saz's sock. And to get Saz's sock? To give Saz's sock a heel. But we've started on the wine. So we shall see. Watch this space. Over and out. See you soon.